Hello crypto users, it's your boy Daniel and I'm back with another new video today. So today's video is going to be about Pi Day. I'm also going to be talking about the updates about unblocking Pi network users KYC application. And lastly, I'm going to be talking about the price we see in the market and conclude on whether or not it's real price or not. Looking down here, you get to see that the main event that is happening today as of the time of creating this video is that Pi is celebrating its 5th anniversary, and that's like 5 years. Pi network has been existing for like 5 years now. Every March 14, Pi gets to celebrate the Pi Day, okay, celebrating its official launch. I think it was launched in 2018 and I've been mining for close to 4 years now. I've been mining for at least 3 years plus. Coming over here, you see the announcement the core team just dropped, which says celebrate Pi Day 2024, Pi 5th official anniversary. We're sharing network progress towards open network milestone and exploring how recent and new products helps complete Pi ecosystem vision. Now, KYC update will be unblock millions with a race to 10 million KYC events accelerating the pace towards the community goal. Now, read more and participate. Looking down here, if I just drag this down, okay, just drag this up right now, you get to see that there are many posts right here which are earning good amount of token right here. And as you can see, this one that says Pi celebration in Tanzania with Trigger Commerce app has gotten over 6,000 token. The highest is sitting at the top right here. Okay, so this is actually Fireside Forum, and if you want to access that, you can just scroll down to the very bottom right now and click on go to Fireside Forum. Another way to access the Fireside Forum is by clicking on chats. Okay, you want to click on chats, and from this chat section you will be able to access the Fireside Forum. So as you can see here, they have unblocked millions of blocked pioneers. So what you want to do right now is to go over to your Pi browser app. Now this March 14 update also come with an update for browser. Okay, you need to update your Pi browser to the latest version. Okay, and the way you do that is by coming on Google Play Store and clicking on updates. Okay, so I'm going to click on updates right now. For those of us who our KYC has stopped, I also want to bring to notice that the Pi browser app has an upgrade recently, and what you need to know is that the interface or the UI has changed. Okay, the user interface for Pi browser has changed. I'm going to make a separate video on that. But if you're one of those people that have submitted your KYC application and your KYC application got stuck, you want to come over to the Pi browser app right now and check if you have been unblocked. Okay, go ahead and click on KYC status. Of course, then you get to see your KYC status. If you see something like a resubmit button, all right, so if you didn't use the right document before, you are meant to use the right document right now. And I don't know for other countries, but if you're in Nigeria, you want to use the official name CID. Okay, gotten from the official name C app. Just download the official name C app from Play Store, open up the app, click on pay for premium name slip. Yeah, you pay for it and they will give you the PDF version of it. After they give you the PDF version of it, you go to a print shop and print it out in plastic, and that's it. With that ID, you can verify your account or anything else with bank or whatever anywhere in Nigeria. You don't need a national ID card anymore. So that's it. So back to the topic, how do you check if you have been unblocked and given a second chance for the KYC verification? If you're one of those people that applied for KYC but didn't get yours or your KYC got stuck, now is the time to check it. And the way you do that is by coming over to your Pi browser. Now, the Pi browser is another app, it's a separate app on its own. You can also get that on Play Store. And once it's done updating, you click on open and you'll be redirected back to this very app. For you to check whether or not you have been unblocked, all you have to do is to click on KYC. Now, the moment you click on KYC, if you are a validator, you'll be presented with this very dashboard right here. But if you're not, simply click on check my KYC application status. Okay, once you click on that, you're going to see whether or not you have been verified. As you can see, I have passed my KYC and I applied to become a validator and I also passed. If you apply for KYC and you have not passed, you're going to see the pending icon right here. Okay, but if you have been unblocked, then you get to see the resubmit button. That resubmit button would enable you to reapply for the KYC process. Okay, so if you use the wrong document before, make sure you use the right document now. And just like I told you before, what you're meant to use is the premium name slip gotten from the official NameC app and printed out in plastic. But if you happen to use the paper slip, you will have a very little chance of getting accepted. This is just the fact. Now, with that very document, you can use it to verify anything you want to verify. Okay, and this is what you'll be using to verify your KYC. With this, you get accepted easily. All you just have to do is to select not national ID card but NIN CID. That's what you're going to select, not national ID, and then you carry on with the KYC process. So that is it for those who apply for KYC but haven't gotten approved yet or got stuck in the process. Now there's something I'm also going to be explaining that a lot of people are not aware of. From your Pi browser, you can access your Pi network account. Okay, once your Pi account is connected, your Pi app is connected to your Pi browser, you can access your Pi network account. How do you do that? All you have to do is to simply click on mine, and once you click on mine, it's going to redirect you to your account. Easy peasy. Now if I swipe up right here, you get to see this update about the Fireside forum, and these are updates or topics that are actually trending right now. Topics are rated by the tokens they get, okay, or the tokens they get tipped. Okay, now these are real tokens and people actually earn from this, but I don't do this because I have a lot of things on my neck, so I can pay attention to this all the time. Okay, so this is it for this very update. Now there's also an update that was released recently, and this update is called the Pi Ad Network. Let me show you what that update means. Now this is the information we got for the update, and as you can see right here, it says Pi Ad Network for app developers with payments in Pi. Now as you can see, advertisers pay Pi, and this ad network also pays Pi in return. So Pi, this is a platform level utility of Pi network. Alright, so for those of us who decide to launch their website on the Pi app, you would also get paid in Pi. Okay, so it's just like a chain. For those people that want to advertise, they can pay with Pi, and for those of us that decide to launch our website on the Pi chain, we also get paid in Pi. This is just simply this is basically what this update means. Okay, now let's head over to CoinMarketCap. I really need to show you something. So as you can see here right now, this token is currently at $43.84. That's the buy token, and as you can see, there's a 3.03% increase for the past day, that is the past 24 hours. Now if I click on the activities for the past 7 days, let me just click on that now. As you can see here on my screen, this token has risen to over $120, and this is because of the recent developments in the Pi app. We're talking about Pi Ad Network launch. We're also talking about the 5th anniversary celebration and other stuffs we are yet to know of. Note that this is not the real token, as the Pi core team has come out to debunk this. Okay, we believe this was said by some individual, but this can give us this is much like a benchmark to what the real price might be. Okay, it wouldn't really get to this, but this is kind of a benchmark to checkmate what the real price or real value would be, because this is kind of a huge acceptance right here. Okay, a huge acceptance, and this is just simply the IOU price. Okay, so it's not like the real Pi network price. Okay, down here you can see the self-reported circulating supply, which is just 68 million. Now I read somewhere in the Pi white paper that the total supply is about 80 million, so this is to tell you that this is not real price, so do not invest your money in this. Now there's also an information I want to pass to you for those of us who use this to knowingly deceive people that this is the price of Pi. This is not the price of Pi, and the price is not yet determined. Okay, so let me quickly show you an article that was written by the Pi core team years ago. That was in 2022, and this article was dropped in 29th of December 2022. Now this is the information the Pi core team passed regarding this very token that was launched on CoinMarketCap. As you can see right here, the core team said Pi network is aware of the reports that several unauthorized third-party exchanges and potential unknown third parties are seeking to list Pi or tokens purporting to be Pi or same purported derivatives of Pi without the consent of authority or involvement of Pi network. Now this is another one important thing to take note of. As you can see, it says it is important to reiterate that Pi is currently in the enclosed maintenance period and is not approved by Pi network for listing on any exchanges or for trading, and Pi network was not involved with any of these purported posting or listing. Like, you can go ahead and read the rest of the update for yourself. But this is to tell you that the Pi team does not approve this very token you see right here on your screen. So if you go to CoinMarketCap, type this very token right here, and you see the price, even if the price to spike to $300, that is not going to be the price of Pi. The price of Pi will be known when the open mainnet launches. So do not use this to deceive people, right? Because you get caught, your account might get banned. So this is the information and update I want to bring to your notice today. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, spread the word by sharing this video so a lot of people get to see it. Also subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell on, because the moment you do, you get to see more updates and see them early when I post them. So this is it, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe.